Can you please unmute yourself? Good afternoon. I am good, Bacha. Just going great. What about you? Can't you unmute yourself, Bache? So that we can make it more interactive? Why so, Bache? Just unmute yourself and you can hear my voice and I can hear your voice too. You just need to unmute yourself. Let me see if I can do this. No, I cannot do that. Only you can unmute yourself, Bacha. But it's not working. Just if you are using your headphones, then you can unplug it and then you can try it. If it is, did you? Did you try? What? What? Okay, then let's forget it. Okay, cool. Sure. Okay, go back. So हमने लास्ट क्लास में सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन खत्म किया था and we were on a male reproductive system, right? So the male reproductive system consists of portion of which produces germ cell, that is a male germ cell, right? Now the male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, right? Seminal vesicles, we have the prostate gland, right, everybody? Okay. And accessory में we have penis and scrotum. यहाँ तक बात समझ आ गई? Right. That is, can you appreciate this diagram? This diagram will show you See, this is a rectum. This is a seminal vesicle. Then this is a urinary bladder. Can you appreciate the bladder? And this is a vasa deferens, your urethra, your penis, and your epididymis. Your epididymis is also a referent passage for sperms. This is a testis and a scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch-like structure. Okay, basically क्या होता है? It's a pouch-like structure जिसके अंदर testis होता है, like, and the testis must lie outside the body so that sperm can produce. They need actually 2 to 3 degree less than your body degree temperature, that is 76 Celsius से नीचे, approximately about 35 degrees Celsius. यहाँ तक समझ आया? Your prostate gland basically provide nutrition and added fructose. Okay, यहाँ तक क्लियर है कृष्णा? Okay, shall I move forward? Okay. Then, in the secretion, basically the role of the testis basically testis in the secretion of the hormone testosterone in the previous lecture. Basically, अगर मैंने बताऊं तुमको कि testis क्या करता है, testis basically secrete करता है testosterone, right? Right? Testosterone. Okay. Now, इसके बाद the sperms are delivered to the vasa deferens and utilized by a tube-like coming urinary bladder. I have told you this also. The sperms are the tiny bodies. मैंने आपको एक sperm का diagram भी बताया था. Right, Krishna? We have the acrosomal head. We have the neck and a flagella for the motility. Getting it? समझ आ गया? अब फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव की बात करते हैं. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tube, uterus, right, and your cervix and your vagina. Getting it? Now these ovaries also responsible for the production of some hormones. बच्चे what I'm trying to say, जो female reproductive part है, that is a pair of ovaries, a fallopian tube, a uterus which is an inverted pear shape, then a cervix and a vagina. Okay. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? ओके बच्चा, ये जो ओवरीज है वो क्या बनाती है? वो जर्म सेल एग बनाती है, ठीक है। 1000 ऑफ एग्स is formed thousands of eggs are formed when girl is born, but they are arrested at prophase 1. Bacha, in your 11th standard, you will be learning a cell cycle. So there we have a two type of cell division, that is meiotic and mitotic. Okay, meiotic means 2n cell and then n, that is known as meiosis, and there will be not genetic material half नहीं होता, the cells keep on increasing, 2n से 2n ही बन रहा है, ठीक है, that is known as mitosis. यहाँ तक समझ आया कृष्णा? Clear? Right? So basically प्रोफेज 1 में जाके अरेस्टेड हो जाते हैं meiosis, ठीक है। Then जब प्रोफेज 1 में जाके अरेस्टेड होंगे, after reaching the puberty, ठीक है, basically after reaching the puberty, what will happen? These eggs every month one egg formed. Now I would show you how the fertilization goes. Okay, we have suppose this is your rough diagram of your okay, this is a uterus, this is a cervix, uterus, cervix, this is your fimbri. Fimbri is of finger-like projections which catches the ova from ovary. Okay, ठीक है, ये ovary है. Now when during the copulation, कॉपुलेशन का मतलब पता है? Copulation means your intercourse. Okay? Sexual intercourse. Get it? Sexual intercourse. So basically, during copulation, sperm enters through your vagina, right? Then, if it is after the ovulation day, when the egg is released from the ovary, then the sperm goes at ampulla isthmus junction. Sperm can only fuse at ampulla. Just a second. That is ampulla isthmus junction. Ampulla isthmus junction. Right? Basically, मैं आपको क्या बताना चाह रही हूँ? When the sperm enters through your vagina, then your cervix, then it goes to your fallopian tube, and then the egg is released. Only at one point can have a fertilization. That is your ampulla isthmus junction. Okay? Get it, Krishna? Yes. Okay. What happens if the copulation will not be there? अगर copulation नहीं हुआ and the egg is released, then what? There will be full chances that your egg got ruptured and comes out of the body with blood, known as menstrual flow. Menstrual flow जानते हो आप? Yes, exactly. Your periods is your menstrual, not mental, is your menstrual flow. This repeat after 28 days. अगर कभी भी copulation नहीं होता है, so with ruptured endometrium, what is endometrium? The inner wall of uterus. This is also got ruptured and with the egg it comes out of the body. यहाँ तक समझ आया? समझ आ गया? ओके, आगे चले. Reproductive health. Okay, that is reproductive health. The process of sexual maturation is gradual, right, Krishna, and takes place while general while general body growth is still on. Okay, therefore there will be some kind of sexual act also which comes under pressure and reproductive health आप कैसे कर सकते हो? What are the precautions? Do you know? Basically some sexually transmitted disease like gonorrhea. ठीक है? We have the gonorrhea. हाँ, exactly. We have gonorrhea. Then we have HIV, AIDS. Okay, get it? Do you know what is an HIV and AIDS and gonorrhea? This is a bacterial disease. These all are sexually transmitted disease का मतलब like during copulation it can happen. Okay, by the sexually intimated these diseases can cause, can occur or can cause. Okay, okay, Krishna, get it बच्चे? Okay, so shall I discuss some questions with you? Can you answer it? Okay, let's see. Asexual reproduction takes place through budding in amoeba, yeast, plasmodium, and leishmania. हाँ जी. Yes, Krishna, what do you think? Which is the answer, बच्चे? Yes, you're right, बच्चे. The answer for this is yeast. Shall we go with the next one? Which of the following is not a part of female reproductive system? Ovary, uterus, vas deferens, fallopian tube. Exactly. You are good. आप डर क्यों रहे थे? आप तो देखो सारे आंसर कर रहे हो मेरे को. The anther contains. Hope we can be connected through audio also. Tomorrow you'll try, okay? If you can get the audio also, okay? Yes. Then we'll have a chat also. What you want to be in life, Krishna? Still, any plans for future? What about a doctor? Okay. Now the anther contains sepals, ovules, pistil, and pollen grains. Tell me the answer, Krishna. Chanchal, you also try. Yes, Krishna. Chanchal couldn't answer it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Shall we do the next one? Huh? Okay. Then now the question is, you're gonna tell me. Okay. Tell me what are the advantages? This can be asked in your boards as well. What are the advantages of sexual reproduction over asexual reproduction? Hanji, this is a for question 2 marks. Okay, your boards are coming, Krishna, right? From which date it start? May. Okay. Yes, Krishna. What is the answer for this, bache? Exactly. Basically, your variations, new species, matlab, new characteristics, features, high survival rate. Okay, get it? This can be, you can explain it in your languages. Okay, समझ आ गया? Shall we move forward? भी बोल सकते हो, कन्वीनियंट तो सारे ही होते हैं. दैट इज योर budding, your fission, your vegetative propagation, or sexual, sorry, or spore formation. हाँ जी. Yes, Krishna. Which? What is the answer? Fission will be the more convenient or easy because it will just, yeah. Okay. Then the next question, shall we move? What are the functions performed by the testes in human beings? Yes. Which of the following, which of the functions performed by the testes in human beings? Yes, Krishna, answer this question. This answer is of 2 marks. Question is of 2 marks. Yes, Chanchal, you also try it, bache. What are the functions performed by the testes in human beings? Secretion of testosterone. Yeah, it helps in reproduction, but how? That only Chanchal is typing. Yes, Chanchal, tell me. Yes, Krishna. Tell me, bache, how the testes perform. What are the functions of? अभी मैंने बताया था कृष्णा आपको that production of testosterone. Yes. Good, Chanchal. You're right. And also it helps to enhance the secondary sexual characters. Basically, it helps to enhance the secondary sexual characters. Right, Krishna? Like beard growth, then broad chest, heaviness in voice, protrusion, one second. Protrusion of Adam's apple. Right, Krishna and Chanchal? Okay. Shall I move forward? Let's try some more questions for the board, okay? Okay. Now Krishna is gonna tell me why does menstruation menstruation occur. Yes, Krishna, answer the question, बच्चे. Chanchal, you also can try it. Why does menstruation occur? प्यूबर्टी थोड़ी कृष्णा, प्यूबर्टी की वजह से कैसे हो सकता है? अभी तो मैंने आपको प्रोसेस बताया था. If the fertilization don't takes place, तभी तो होगा. If the egg didn't get fertilized, so it will comes out of the body with the blood. That blood is basically your dead cells and your dead wall. Preparation for nourishing a fertilized egg. Chanchal, this you have to say that ये उससे पहले होता है. Menstruation क्यों होता है? If the egg is not fertilized by the body, if the copulation doesn't happen and that egg do not fertilize, then it will be comes out of the body. Okay, with the menstrual flow, with the blood. जो आपकी इनर वॉल होगी यूट्रस की. बेसिकली मेंस्ट्रुएशन से पहले बॉडी अपने आप को किसके लिए तैयार करती है? फर्टिलाइजेशन के लिए तैयार करती है, राइट? हाउ? बिकॉज मैमरी ग्लैंड्स इज आल्सो एक्टिव. मैमरी ग्लैंड्स भी एक्टिव होते हैं एंड व्हेन द copulation do not occur, does not occur, then what will happen? जब copulation नहीं होगा, then that egg ruptures and comes out of the body. Right, Krishna? Yeah. अब आप पूछोगे मैम ब्लड क्यों? Because there will be a wall, ruptured wall as well. Wall of uterus. Am I right? Right, Krishna? Okay. Shall I move forward? कोई और questions do? Okay. What are the different methods of contraception? Contraception क्या होता है? Contraception is what to prevent the mating or to prevent the sperm and ova get fertilized. मतलब समझ आया कृष्णा? कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन का मतलब क्या है कि जब हम नहीं चाहते स्पर्म एंड एग फर्टिलाइज्ड हो, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन. कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन के मेथड्स कौन-कौन से? देयर आर अ बैरियर मेथड आल्सो and a chemical method also and surgical method. सर्जिकल मेथड्स में ट्यूबेक्टोमी and vasectomy, right? Right, Krishna? Do you know what is tubectomy and vasectomy? Hmm? Vasotomy तो vasectomy नहीं बचे, vasotomy. We have the vasotomy. Vasotomy is basically incision in vasodifference, right? And what is tubectomy? And what is tubectomy, बच्चे? You don't know? Basically, your tubectomy is what? Incision in your fallopian tube and tied the knot so that it can prevent. That is an irreversible method. What are the chemical methods? हम लोग IUCDs intrauterine devices use करते हैं like copper T, right? Copper T is for 3 years and 5 years. Copper T basically copper release करते हैं so that it can prevent the fertilization. Okay, and barrier methods में we have the condoms. Okay, get it, Krishna? Diaphragm as well. Okay, condom, diaphragm. Also we have in the barrier methods, but they are also not completely successful. They are 99% successful. Okay, get it? So if somebody asks you what are the different methods of contraception, can you write it now? Shall I give you more questions? Chanchal, do you get it? Okay, Chanchal also get it. Let's move forward. Okay. How are the modes? How are the modes for reproduction different in unicellular and multicellular orgasm? Yes. Now tell me what are the different modes of reproduction in unicellular and multicellular organism? Yes, Krishna. Yes, Krishna, answer it, बच्चे. मल्टी सेलुलर में एसेक्सुअल भी होता है, सेक्सुअल भी होता है. यूनिसेलुलर में क्या होता है? यूनिसेलुलर में फिजन. मल्टी सेलुलर में क्या क्या होता है? एसेक्सुअल एंड सेक्सुअल. एसेक्सुअल मेथड्स में बडिंग and what are the other methods? Vegetative propagation, regeneration. Anything left with? And sexual में obviously the when two partners sexual reproduction. Right? यहाँ तक समझ आया? हाँ जी बताओ. Shall I move forward? How does reproduction help in providing stability to population of species? Yes, Krishna, answer it. How does reproduction help in providing stability to population of species? Exactly, it can produce. Ensuring that their species survive. Exactly. Right? Shall I move forward? Explain the male reproductive system. Yes, Krishna. Explain the male reproductive system. Yes, Krishna, answer it. Okay. Yeah, semen is a fluid, exactly, which is rich in fructose forms for the motility. See, I'll write your points only, okay? That male reproductive, male reproductive germ cell is produced, right? Yes, that is secrete male hormone testosterone. I'm agree on it. Semen is a fluid which is enrich in fructose and help to transport the sperm. Right. What about the seminal vesicles? Seminal vesicles is 100 to 150 compartment. Then each compartment form 3 to 4 sperm. Right? Right, Krishna? Okay. Then what is the life of sperm budget? Life of sperm? Yes, Krishna. What is the life of sperm? Still, budget? Any idea? In the body of the female, it can survive up to 5 days. Okay. Okay. Basically, it can in vagina, not in vagina for an appropriate. Inside the female, it can survive up to 5 days. And outside the body, it just came out and it will be not viable. Okay? Okay, Krishna? Shall I give you the last question for today? What could be the reason for adopting contraceptive methods? Tell me what could be the reason for adopting contraceptive methods? Yes, to get not to get pregnant, to control the birth rate as well. Yeah, to prevent STDs. To prevent STDs, to control birth rate. Okay. Do you get it, Krishna? So with this, I'll be ending you with the how do organisms reproduce. Next will be your evolution. This will be your last chapter for bio, right? Okay then, see you. Any questions you wanna ask, Bache? Anything you wanna ask me? Sure about it? Do you enjoy today's lecture? Okay, bye bye. See us. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
You are now muted.